everybody, it's Ramona. I am coming to you with 3 project shares for KS Crafts. I will link all of the information for the products that I use down below in the description box. And I do have to say, I went ahead and chose a bunch of items from his store. I'm on his design team, and I chose a bunch of items from his store that I thought you would like, not necessarily things that I craft with, because this is a struggle for me and it's kind of out of my design realm, if that makes any sense. I don't do any of the kind of Maggie Holmes type crafting. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I hope that you guys like what I did here. And yeah, let's start off with my favorite, and that is the Swan. That is this card right here. And I'll go ahead and push these 2 aside, and we'll concentrate on this one right here. So I do not have very many dies from KS Crafts, and this was my fault. When I told the seller what items I wanted, I totally did not think, hey Ramona, you need dies that the store has so that you can use them in the projects. So I did have 1 die, and that's this die right here. And it is the star die, the round star die. I used the largest one right here. And I cut that out with some paper that I purchased from his store during the anniversary sale. I purchased the berry color, and that's what this is right here. I just absolutely love this. And I went ahead and took some trim, and I did some little a little body for the butterfly right here, and then the tool I had in my stash. Because I did not have very many dies from his, I went ahead and just cut this out with a punch that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. This is the rose punch, and I put some pearls on it from Michael's. And then I took the went ahead and took all the stars that I punched out from here, and I added them in the circles, inside the circles here. So wherever there was a little circle, I put a little star. So I will go ahead and show you in the description box. This will be listed as stories. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just give you a quick preview of what is in here. There's a bunch of words that you can use, like charming and beautiful. I just absolutely love this because it had the swan in it. Yeah, so here's the globe, and I love this right here, this pretty bow. This is a really pretty bow. And yeah, just a lot of pretty ephemera, guys. Look, there's the ballerina dress. And yeah, there's just a ton of stuff in here. You got the bicycle, if you can see that, music sheets, just a little bit of everything. And each card that I made here, I used a different package of ephemera. But again, I ordered items that I thought you might like, because there's the Maggie Holmes craze going on right now. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that you can craft with the ephemera from his shop as well. He's got a ton of ephemera, guys. If you watched my haul video from his that I did last week, it's a ton of ephemera. So there is my swan, and I did go ahead and add some feathers right in here. Really good quality feathers too. Okay, so let's go. This is card number 2. So I'll go ahead and stick this one here. So this is card number 2 that I came up with. And again, I used some Martha Stewart punches to do the punch around the page. I added some tulle little frilly lace down here, and I backed it up, I don't know if you can see this or not, with this bling that I purchased from Daiso, because I liked it the way it shined on the bottom here. And again, I did a corner punch of Martha Stewart's, and I created, out of the corner punch, I created a doily effect down below since I didn't have the dies. The hearts come from Joann's. This is in their $1.99 bin right now. And these little pearls come from Michael's. I've got some trim here from Joann's. And then we have this right here. This is the ephemera pack that I used. I hope this is the right one. I think it is. It should be, yeah. So this is the Judy Karen. And I'll list it down below in the description box as hello, since it has the word hello in it. And I just wanted to show you again. Lots and lots and lots of tags and tickets. Tags and tickets. You make my heart happy. Just really beautiful ephemera. Again, I'm not used to designing this way at all. And I kind of had fun doing it, to tell you the honest truth. I was kind of scared to jump into it. But let me know down below in the comments section what you think. Because, you know, sometimes we all think our stuff is a lot prettier than what it really is. So I'd actually really like your honest opinion on that. Okay? Look how pretty. And some more swans. Okay. So again, I'll list that under Judy Karen, and it'll be under the description box of hello. And because so much of this is kind of, you know, the same theme, I'm going to go ahead and list everything that I got in my haul so that you can go ahead and look at some more items if you'd like. But again, this will be listed under Judy Karen Hello. Okay, so there is that one. And then we have one more, and that's this one right here, the Bonjour. And you'd think I could say that name right, but I struggle with it. So anyway, I went ahead and used, again, Martha Stewart punch to go ahead and punch this across the bottom and the top. I used, again, the trim from Joann's here, bling from Michael's, and this is bling from Dollar Tree, which I had never used before. And guys, it comes off in a strip. I didn't know that. I thought they were individual pearls. So I bought this whole package for $1, and I've still got a lot left. I only used like probably a row and a third. To finish these 2 rows up here. Again, I used a corner punch for the Martha Stewart corner punches to make the doilies. I do have a tutorial up on that if you guys want to know how to use a corner punch to make a round doily. I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. And I loved this one, guys. I love this couch. I went crazy over the couch. Okay, so this has a lot of little pieces. Okay, so again, I think I'm going to list this one under, it's either under Bonjour or Story. I can't remember what I initially put down as the description for in my haul. So yeah, guys, this is such beautiful ephemera. And I'm not finished yet. I had to go to my parents' house last night because, look at that, fabulous. That's so pretty too. Because it was raining and we were supposed to get baseball-sized hail. And I had to park my car in their garage. So I have just been running and running and running between my roommate at the rehab center. Guys, I'm just like worn out. It's just so much. Look at this. I absolutely love that. Isn't that pretty? I hope you guys will like be, you know, get a little what do you, I'm like at a blank right now. My mind's just not working. I'm thinking of everything that I've had to do in the past 24 hours. So anyway, oh, just not working for me, is it? I hope this will give you some inspiration. There you go. Okay, and oh, I'm sorry, this will be listed under Rose's Studio Glass House. That's what that one will be listed under. But guys, you get 118 pieces in this one. The story one is 120 pieces, which was the first one. It's the Swan one. And then the second one that I showed you has over 50 pieces in it. So, okay, guys, I hope that, again, you found some inspiration here. I had a blast making these cards, and I will be making some more. But please leave me your honest opinion. Like I said, you know, if there's something you guys don't like about this, I'd like to know, like, how to design in the Maggie Holmes type design, because I don't know how to do it. And I don't know if I did well in trying to do that. Okay, guys, I hope that you liked it. Talk to you later, and hop on over to KSCRAFT'S website and check out all the cool goodies that they have. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.